Good morning. Today for listening and learning, we're going to continue with the human body, and we are on number 4, which is about organs today. Okay, some vocabulary we'll need. Collapse means to fall or cave in. The little pig who built the house of bricks knew the wolf would not be able to collapse his house. Kidneys, they're a pair of abdominal organs that help clean the body's blood. Liver is a large body organ that secretes juices to aid in digestion. Nourish means to provide with food or other substances necessary for growth. And transplant means to move something from one place to another. The gardeners transplant the rose bushes from the front yard to the backyard, as an example there. Oops, did not mean to go to the next one yet. All right, here we go with organs. In the last read aloud, you learned about cells and tissues. Similar cells join together in small groups to form tissues. In the same way, similar tissues join together to form organs. Organs are parts of the human body that perform special jobs for the body. Organs are made up of groups of tissues. All organs are made up of different kinds of tissues that help them do their job well. Can anyone name one of your body's organs? See if you can name an organ. And here are some examples, which I already showed you. Your eyes and ears are organs. Your heart and lungs are organs. Your stomach is an organ too. Which of your body organs is the largest? It's your skin. Does that surprise you? You've looked at skin cells through the microscope, and we've talked about the epithelial tissue that these cells come from. That these cells form. So while it may seem odd to think of skin as an organ, it does make sense, doesn't it? Strong epithelial tissue, also made up of tiny cells, forms an organ with a very large protective covering, the skin. So your skin is actually an organ, and it's the largest because it covers your whole entire body. You've learned about 4 different types of body tissues. What are the names of all 4 types of body tissues? One is epithelial, the tissue that forms your skin. What are the other 3? The other 3 are connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Each different type of tissue are made up of cells. And all body organs are made up of tissues. Cells, tissues, organs. The system of the human body is an organ system. An organ is a part of the body with a clearly defined function or job to perform. Most organs are involved in just one body system. There are 10 major organ systems in the human body. Okay, so the systems of the human body are organ systems. An organ has a specific job it has to do. Okay, looking at this one, this is the skeletal system and the muscular system. What body systems are in charge of helping you move? Last year you learned about the skeletal and muscular systems. Your skeletal system is made up of bones and other organs. Its skeletal tissues work together with the smooth muscle tissues in your muscular system to make your body move. So when you move, it's those 2 systems working together. What does the circulatory system do? It circulates or moves your blood around to all parts of your body. Okay, so there's the first one with the heart you can see. Your heart and blood, made up of cells and tissues, are the organs of your circulatory system. The respiratory system includes your lungs, organs made up of cells and tissues that control your breathing. What does the nervous system do? It sends messages along the spinal cord to the brain. These 2 organs, the spinal cord and the brain, are both made up of nervous tissues full of tiny nerve cells. So you can see in the middle there, the nervous system, all the little nerves that go all through your body. Which organ system includes your stomach? The digestive system. Your stomach works closely with other organs, each made up of different types of tissues and different types of cells, to perform different types of jobs. Soon you'll be able to name all of the other organs that work together with your stomach to help digest or break down your food. Sometimes your organs are a combination of different types of tissue. The stomach is one of those organs. It's made up of many layers, including all 4 main types of tissue. These tissues play a very important role in the digestion of your food. We'll take a quick peek at part of your digestive system now. Let's look at the inside of your stomach to see where these 4 types of stomach tissues live. Okay, so this is going to be an inside look of what a stomach might look like. From inside to outside, the first layer of tissue that you see is epithelial tissue. Do you remember what this does? It's tightly packed, arranged in a layered sheet to cover and protect the organ. Beneath the epithelial tissue is connective tissue, primarily blood that carries or connects nutrients to the cell. Smooth muscle tissues lie underneath the connective tissue and help move food around the stomach. Stomach muscles squeeze together about 3 times per minute, continuing to squeeze whether there's food in your stomach or not. It's the squeezing of these muscles that produces the loud rumbling noise you sometimes hear when your stomach is nearly empty. I did not know that. So that's an interesting fact right there, that when your stomach makes rumbling noises, it's actually your muscles squeezing together. The fourth type of body tissue, nervous tissue, is located in the stomach wall. It constantly sends signals to the brain and makes sure that all other parts are working smoothly. Every organ in your body depends upon other organs to work in the right way. When you study the digestive system more thoroughly in the next lesson, you'll see that the stomach could not perform the job of the entire system on its own and needs help. So it's interesting that the stomach has all 4 types of tissue. Have you ever heard of the liver? Your liver is an organ located above your stomach that your stomach depends upon to do its job. Together with 2 other organs known as the pancreas and the gallbladder, the liver produces digestive juices to help break down your food. Your liver is one of the largest organs in the body, working as part of several different systems to perform different body functions. Do you remember what the largest organ is? It's your skin. You cannot live without your liver. Next time you'll learn more about the very important role that the liver plays in the digestive system. Organs depend on one another, so do the body's systems. Each system depends upon the other systems to make sure that your body works properly. Okay, so all the systems have to work together the right way for our bodies to function. For example, blood is carried to all parts of your body through the circulatory system. The circulatory system depends upon the respiratory system to get the oxygen into the bloodstream. Your blood would have no nutrients in it without the help of the digestive system to break down your food. Working together, these different systems provide your cells with the food and oxygen they need so that energy can be supplied to all your other systems. Without energy, your muscles couldn't move your bones. Without energy, your brain could not think. When organs stop working properly, body systems break down. The body stops functioning well and you become ill. If your lungs collapse, there is not enough oxygen to feed or nourish your cells with these things they need to live and grow. If your heart stops, it will no longer pump blood with the necessary nutrients to other parts of your body. When you're doing things like riding your bike or playing certain sports, it's very important to protect your head by wearing a helmet. A head injury might result in damage to your brain, and this might prevent messages from going back and forth between the brain, the nervous system, and other parts of your body. Right now, one of my organs, my eyes, are watering like crazy because of my allergies. All right. A donor is a person who donates or gives something. Have you ever heard of an organ donor? Believe it or not, an organ donor gives away an organ to save another person's life. Fortunately, modern science has made it possible to replace damaged organs. Sometimes when people are very ill but still have healthy body organs, they decide to donate their healthy organs to others when they die. Sometimes it's even possible for people to spare an organ and go on living healthy lives themselves. For example, you have 2 kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of organs located in your lower back. You'll learn more about these 2 very important organs in another lesson. Your kidneys clean poisonous waste from the blood flowing through the body, preventing many different types of disease. You can live a healthy life with only 1 kidney, so this is 1 organ that can be donated to someone who needs a kidney. Doctors today can take a kidney from one person's body and transplant it or move it into another person's body to keep him or her alive. Doesn't that sound like a miracle? I think so. So they can take a kidney right out of my body and put it in somebody else's to save them. It's pretty crazy that medicine can do that. All right. You can tell what that's a picture of there, the organ anyway. That's our skin. Cells, tissues, organs, systems. The human body is organized into 4 different levels. Cells are the building blocks of the body. Without cells, there would be no body tissue, no body organs, and no body systems. In fact, without cells, there would not be a single living person or thing on Earth. Okay, so we have to remember it goes cells, tissues, organs, systems. The next time we get together, we'll discuss the organs that work together to digest or break down your food. Today, we looked inside your stomach, but your stomach is only one part of the food's journey as it travels through your body. Can you name any of the organs that belong to the digestive system? Great suggestions. With your help, we'll put that puzzle together soon. See you next time. All right. So, one that's part of the digestive system, I think most of you probably said the stomach. Okay, so we will learn more with our next listening and learning. Thanks.